Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2018 SEAT Ateca 2.0 TDI XCELLENCE 4Drive, a stylish and capable SUV designed for comfort and performance. At the front, the Ateca features a bold chrome grille, sleek LED headlights, and sporty contoured lines, giving it a dynamic and modern look. From the side, it sits on 18-inch alloy wheels, complemented by roof rails and an elegant profile, enhancing its practicality and premium design. At the rear, the Ateca is equipped with sharp LED taillights, a reverse camera, and a hands-free electric tailgate, ensuring convenience and ease of access. Powered by a 2.0-liter TDI engine with 4-drive all-wheel drive, the Ateca delivers strong efficiency and smooth automatic transmission, making every drive effortless. Stepping inside, the Ateca features full black leather seats, a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, and a digital cockpit. The center console houses the navigation system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, while dual-zone climate control ensures personalized comfort. The spacious rear seats offer ample legroom and comfort, with heated front seats for a premium driving experience. With a generous boot capacity and a power tailgate, the Ateca is perfect for daily use and long trips. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629. Quote, registration GU 68ZPB to book a test drive or request a video tour.